The Kitchener stitch is the process of grafting your last stitches together, and it'll make a continuous line of knitting. The way we do that is cut off the yarn and leave about 12 inches and thread the end through a tapestry needle. Now the chant that I use for this is knit, slip, purl, purl, slip, knit. And I just say this over and over again. You might want to, you can write it down on a little card or whatever to help you. And if you look up the Kitchener stitch, there is another, well, there's the accepted way to do it involves a setup row, but we are not going to do that. The reason being that setup row causes a little ear to be on either side of your toe. I'll show you here. Right at the edges of the toe, this is all where it gets grafted together. And when you do the setup row, it makes a little extra that sticks up on either side, and it just doesn't look good. So we're going to skip that. So as I said, you start with your front needle, you go through as if to knit with your tapestry needle and pull it off, or pull it through, then slip that stitch off. So it's knit, slip, and then purl. That one stays on. Then to the back, it is purl, slip, knit. Now you could just continue this until all the stitches are worked. Knit, slip, purl, purl, slip, knit. Knit, slip, purl, purl, slip, knit. Here we are down to the last four. Knit, slip, purl, purl, slip, and knit. Now they've went through those last two already, so I just pull. I don't take them through twice. You can see that we do have a little ear with yarn, and I'm going to show you how to deal with that. To deal with this little ear of yarn, or this little ear that we ended up with on the edge, I put my hand up inside the sock so that my fingers can capture the needle. And I'll get close up to show you where I'm going to put the needle. So I'm going to put the tapestry needle right on the other side of that stitch. Bring it inside, and of course my hand's in there so I can grab it and pull it through. And that gives me a nice edge. At this point, the entire length of your sock is knit. You've decreased down, you have a nice toe, and you have a marker waiting for where we're going to put that heel. And that's what we'll do next.